Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set up wallpaper on laptop. Changing your laptop wallpaper is an easy way to personalize your desktop and make it look the way you like. Windows lets you use a picture, a solid color, or a slideshow as your desktop background. Follow these steps to set up a wallpaper on your Windows laptop. To begin, turn on your laptop and sign in to Windows. Right-click on empty area of the desktop. Select Personalize from the menu. Click Background. Under Personalize your background, choose Picture. Click Browse Photos. Find and select the image you want to use as your wallpaper. Click Choose Picture. Open the Choose a Fit menu. Select your preferred fit, such as Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, or Span. Close the settings window after the wallpaper is applied. Return to the desktop to confirm the new wallpaper is displayed correctly. Repeat these steps anytime you want to change your desktop background and use a high-resolution image for the best appearance on your laptop screen.
And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.